Hey everyone, it's Craig from Flying Wheels. Welcome to my Flying Wheels YouTube channel. Right behind me is a 1972 Pontiac GTO. It says Judge. Is it a clone? I don't know. Did they make the Judge back in 1972? I'm not really sure. You guys tell me down below. But we're going to watch it run through the dealer auction. I'm at a dealer-only auction, specialty auction. You can see all the cars running through behind me. Well, I'm curious to see what this car is going to go for. It's absolutely pristine, A-condition car. It's awesome. We're going to see what it goes for. I have no idea what to even start it at. 20, 25, 30. I have no clue. But we're going to go see what it goes for soon. So follow me. We'll see. We'll check it out. Here's that GTO in the sunlight. The car's perfect. Here come the judge. Come on. Like you guys didn't say that too.
Yeah, but there was that low, yeah.
It is a clone. It is a clone. 5,000, but nobody's bidding on it. Oh, come on.
You say 15. I'm going to be more than 2. I'm going to be more than 4.
15,000. It's already worth that. I am not bidding on it. I don't know what it's worth.
16,000.
16,000. What do you guys think? 72 GTO Judge clone? I don't think I could have restored it for that price. 16.9. I think it's worth that. I wish I was a little braver. I'd buy it. 17,100.
That's a little short term. Thank you for your time.
Nope, didn't sell. Let's go find all the guys.
It's on the last registration.
How much for that Judge? How much for the Judge? 19 grand. All right, thank you. 19 grand he wants for that Judge. Here's the thing on that 72 GTO Judge clone. It's probably worth 16. So I wasn't bidding at 15, then I bid at 15.5, then I chickened out, then I bid at 16.7, then I chickened out. At 16, I couldn't find that car and build it for that much money. But what's it worth to resell a clone? If it was a 69 or a 70 Judge, even a 69, 70 Judge clone, they're worth crazy money. But a 72, I don't know if they even made a Judge that year. And I didn't open the hood, so I don't know what the engine is. 19 grand. If it had a 455 in it, it's probably still worth 19 grand. But that's what he wanted. I don't know. A lot of times I do have the guts to bid on stuff, but this one I didn't, and I'm kind of regretting it today. Should I have bought that at 19 grand? I don't think so. I didn't, and I'm probably lucky, but I could be driving around a GTO right now, and I'm not. So what does that say? Anyway, adios, everybody. Thanks for watching. See you next week.